Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tofu salad dressing. First, select firm or extra firm tofu, as it provides the best base for a creamy texture. You'll also need common pantry items such as your favorite vinegar, a good quality oil, and various seasonings. Remember, pressing your tofu is a crucial initial step. It removes excess water, which helps achieve that wonderfully smooth consistency we're aiming for. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious dressing. Now, let's get blending. Combine your pressed tofu with all the liquid ingredients, like vinegar and oil, in a high-speed blender. For a thinner dressing, you might add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water or unsweetened plant milk. Blend everything until it's incredibly smooth and uniform. Don't forget to pause and scrape down the sides of the blender to ensure all ingredients are fully incorporated. This step is key to a lump-free, luxurious dressing. The beauty of tofu dressing is its versatility. This is where you can truly make it your own. Experiment with fresh or dried herbs, a pinch of your favorite spices, or a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. For a savory, cheesy depth, try adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Always taste as you go, adjusting the salt and pepper until the flavors are perfectly balanced. Don't be afraid to get creative with your additions. Once your delicious tofu salad dressing is complete, transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, so you can enjoy it throughout the week. Before serving, give it a quick stir, as some separation is natural. This versatile dressing is fantastic over fresh green salads, hearty grain bowls, or even as a creamy dip for vegetables. Enjoy your homemade, healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.